sorry. Hello guys, today I'm showing you how to solve or how to fix Adobe Photoshop crashing. So first I'm opening the Photoshop. So it's opened. So when I'm using Photoshop, then suddenly it will getting off. And now it's happening something different, that is when I'm working, then showing me a crash report. They have a message, so the message, what is the message? Let's check. When I start working, after a few times it will come. So I'm working for a while, so I'm going to camera raw. I'm just working for waiting that report. Whatever it is. Yeah, that's a crash report. Adobe has found a solution or workaround for the recent crash in Adobe Photoshop CC. So you can't work anymore. You can work, but whenever you click the close, then the Adobe Photoshop will be closed also. And say it's getting off. So why is this message? A few minutes ago, Adobe Photoshop was crashed and uh, show me a report that you want to report a crash. You want to report about the crash. So you must have to choose don't ask and don't send. But I have choose send request crash report. So whenever I have sent the crash report, then whenever I start using, then come this message. So whenever I press the close, the Adobe Photoshop also close. So how do you fix? It's very simple. Just go to the Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. After that, go to the Edit, Preference, General, General Interface Performance. They have a, they have a said use graphics processor. Just click on it and remove the click and press OK. And I have closed Adobe Photoshop and restart. Okay, now let's check Photoshop camera raw filter. Hopefully it's solved. I think the message will not come anymore. See, I'm working a very long time, but it's still not coming this message. guys, see, the message is not coming. That means your crashing is solved, hopefully. Whatever it is. So guys, if if you think it's helpful, please just like a video and subscribe my channel for the more updates. Thank you.